Hey guys, it's Joe Frassico and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we got a treat for you. This is Boss's Son's 2020 Chevy Suburban. It is the Eco Diesel. We are doing rear air ride. So you take out the rear struts, put these in. We haven't put the fittings in yet. I just got all of the interior apart here. As you can see, this thing actually has a rear fuse box, which is going to be nice. I'm going to take and see what's, powers and grounds going in and out of this thing. And I'm going to use that as my compressor on and off. And then we're also going to take, here's the gauge and the up and down switch. So this is where the spare jack mounts. You don't have to do this or whatever. I mean, your choice. But we took the jack out because this thing will fit in the plastic spare too. So not a big deal if, So we're gonna take this here, and we'll mount it just like that. And we're gonna use those studs that came for the jack. It's almost like it's built for it. So you come underneath here, and I have taken a stop sign. It's made out of aluminum, and I have mounted it to the top of the rear cross member by the rear diff. So those lines are going to look nice. The wires are going to run nice. We found a hole right there that we're going to run the wires and lines through. It's going to look super nice, all said and done. So if you guys got one of these and you're putting air ride in it, this is probably by far the easiest way that I have seen or attempted to do yet on one of these. The compressor, we're just going to take and ground the ground of the frame because it's already grounded. Run the hot through that hole, run the air through that hole, and she should be good to go. This is kind of what my finished product looks like here. I made a nice little T right here, mounted the compressor up there, ran all the wires. I didn't want to drill too many holes, so this is just kind of zip tied up out of the way, not touching nothing. There's the rubber grommet where, where it goes through the body. That hole was already there. I just utilized it. So we got that all routed. Everything's all nice. Wheels are on tight. Getting ready to drop it down, and we'll fire it up and see what happens here. Guys, check this out. I know the interior's still all apart. This is the rear fuse panel in this 2022 Suburban 2500 Eco Diesel, like I said earlier. So this fuse panel is already here. All you got to do is, find something that has hot constant like I did. It's fused. Goes down to this is your master switch. Can't do nothing. You can air it out. Won't go up. But, turn it on, light comes on. Boom. Everything starts working. So I hope this video helps, and you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check us out for more stuff. Thanks.